It's Liz here. Today I'm going to make 2 ingredients dessert. One of the ingredients is dark chocolate. I think most of people love dark chocolate. There are lots of benefits of dark chocolate. The first one is dark chocolate may help prevent heart disease and lower the risk of stroke. And the second one is dark chocolate may improve cognition, prevent memory loss, and boost your mood. Eating some dark chocolate can help you happier. And the third one, dark chocolate is good for your gut and may help you with weight loss. The fourth one is it may play a role in cancer prevention. And the last one, I think most of the women will love here this one. It's good for your skin. Antioxidant-rich dark chocolates can against UV rays. That means it helps to protect your skin and help you to look younger. That's right, it is a good reason to have some chocolate today. So let's start to make this 2 ingredients chocolate cake. These 2 ingredients are dark chocolate 200 grams and 3 eggs. First of all, I have to separate egg white and egg yolk. Put in the egg yolk in a large bowl. And let's break the chocolate into the bowl. Break some chocolate. Put into microwave for 1 minute first. It only melt a little bit, so I'm going to put another 1 minute. I stir it a little bit, looks pretty good, and I think I still need another 30 seconds. The chocolate looks really good. We can let it set on the side and then cool down a little bit. After that, we can add some egg yolks in. Now I'm going to blend egg white. Okay, when you can lift up the egg white, it's ready. Okay, next I add some egg yolk into the chocolate. Mix them very well. Oh wow, the chocolate smells so good. Next, I'm going to add the egg white in. And mix them well. I put the rest of egg whites into the chocolate mix. Ooh, the chocolate mix looks really good now. I think it's ready. Okay, I'm going to put the chocolate mix into the cake tray. Okay, it's ready to go into the oven. I preheat my oven at 180 degrees, and then I'm going to put my cake mix inside. Let's see magic happen. Ooh, I think I need to wait for 20 minutes. Let me check my chocolate cake. Ooh, looks pretty good. See? Wow. If you want to make sure your cake's ready or not, use a toothpick or a stick, pop inside, and it's dry. That means it's ready. This is my 2 ingredients chocolate cake. You also can call it chocolate brownie. It looks really good. Let me try. Look. It's so rich. Hope you enjoy my video. See you next time. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.